The topic is level order traversal of binary tree. Here is an example of binary tree. Already we have learned about level order. Again I will repeat it. Level order means traversing all the vertices of a tree level by level. So first level is 8. So if I write the output here, first level is 8. Then second level, the first value is 3, next value is 9. So 3, then 9. Then next level, third level, 7, 6, 4. Then last level, 5 and 2. This is the output of level order. So how actually it is done? First visit root. Root is visited. Then visit its children. So the first child, left child, then right child. Left child, right child. Then children of left child, 7. Children of right child. Then its children. So first left child is only left child is there. So we went on 5. Right child is not there. Then the children of 9's children, that is this one, 6. So 6th child is only 2. So only 2 is visited. So this procedure requires a queue. So I'll take an example queue and again I will traverse it and show you how a queue can help us in traversing in level order. So I have a queue ready here. Let us traverse it once again. So for that I will take a pointer P. First visit root. So that is 8. And insert the address of 8 in the queue. So address of 8. So this was the first step or initial step. Now the step is repeating step. Let us look at repeating step. Take out an address from the queue and give it to P. So that is the address of 8 only. So okay, P will point on 8, again on 8. Then visits its left child, 3. Insert the address of 3 into queue. Then visits its right child, 9. Insert the address of 9 in the queue. I'll just write 9. That is address of 9. So using P, we have visited left child as well as right child. Now it is over. Work is over. These are the steps. Take out that address from the queue. Visit left child. Insert its address. Then visit right child. Insert its address. Now continue repeating the steps. Take out an address from the queue. So the next address is of 3. So take a pointer P upon that address. Visit left child. Okay, left child. And insert the address of node 7 into the queue. Then visit right child. There is no right child. If it is null, then we cannot visit. So it is completed. Then take out next address from the queue. That is 9. This is the new node. Visits left child, 6, address of 6 into queue. Then visit right child, 4, address of 4 into queue. Its work is over. Then delete next address from the queue and make P point on that one. Visit left child, 5. Push the address of 5 into queue. Then right child, there is no right child. Leave it. Then take out next address, 6. 6, P is pointing on 6. Left child, no left child. Right child, yes, 2. Insert the address of 2 into queue. This is over. Take out next address, 4. 4, left child, no left child. Right child, no right child. Then come on 5. 5 is not having any children. Then take out 2 and move to 2. Visit left child of and right child of 2. There are no left and right child. Now queue is empty. Queue is empty. Once the queue becomes empty, stop. So take out an address, visit left child, right child. That's all. So the procedure is very simple. But initially we have first visited root, then we have inserted the address of root into queue. Let me write on a procedure for this one. Yeah, procedure here. Queue is ready. Already I have taken a queue. Queue should be of type addresses of node. It's not an integer queue or character queue, address type queue. So the data type of an array should be node type. Okay. While writing the program, I will show you that. And also this queue should be initialized. So initializing that front pointer and rear pointer that we have to do. Next, first step I will perform. Right, P is a pointer, that is, assume it is on root, right? This is the root. Then first of all, print the data of root. Printf p is data, so p is pointing on root, so data is printed. Then insert the address of this p into q. Enqueue this address in q. Now the procedure is a repeating procedure, so I will write down loop while we have to stop when q becomes empty, so not is empty q, means as long as q is not empty, continue. First step is take out an address from q, so say dq. Take out an address from q and take it in pointer p. Then print left child if it is there. If p's left child is there, then print p's left child's data and also insert the address of left child into q. Like this node's data is printed, that is 3 is printed, and the address of 3 is inserted or enqueue in a queue. Similarly, check for the right child. If right child is there, then print it and insert it into queue. That's it. Here p is right child, means if it is not null, print the data and insert the address of that right child into queue. And this is the end of while loop. This procedure will be repeating and printing all the elements from a tree. So that's all. This is a in order procedure.